Dream Destiny destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
Have you ever heard of a place where there are enough beaches for every single day of the year? Imagine waking up every morning, stepping onto a new stretch of soft sand, and letting the waves greet you with a gentle hello. Antigua and Barbuda is a name not many people know, but its secret is powerful. 365 beaches, each one waiting for your footprints. What kind of magic could create such a paradise? This is not just another island in the Caribbean. It is a promise, a dream for anyone who loves the sea, the sun, and a life away from busy crowds. The name itself, Antigua and Barbuda, whispers of adventure and mystery. Here, turquoise waters touch the sky, and empty shores call out to those searching for true freedom. Many travelers search for famous places, crowded with noise and excitement, but here, the story is different. Antigua and Barbuda is not meant for the hurried. It is for those who wish to slow down, breathe in the salty air, and find a moment that belongs only to them. So, what lies behind the curtain of this quiet Caribbean wonder? Let us begin our journey and find out why these islands are known as the Island of 365 Beaches. Picture a simple map of the Caribbean Sea. Near the top, where the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean blend, you find two small islands, one larger called Antigua, and a smaller, quieter one, Barbuda. These islands are dots of green and gold, surrounded by endless blue. They rest east of Puerto Rico and north of Guadeloupe, a little off the main tourist path. Antigua is shaped like a rough circle with bays and inlets cutting into the land like puzzle pieces. Barbuda lies about 30 miles to the north, flatter and even quieter, floating gently in the sea. Together, they form their own nation, separate from the bigger neighbors around them. Imagine tracing your finger along the map's edge and finding them. They are not the largest islands, but their presence is strong. The Caribbean here feels wilder, the air fresher, and the coastline almost untouched, even though ships have passed for hundreds of years. This special location keeps Antigua and Barbuda a little hidden, a secret oasis for those who take the time to look beyond the usual. Now, let's step onto the sand. Antigua alone boasts 365 beaches, one for every day of the year. Some are long and sweeping, like Runaway Bay. Others are tiny coves, hugged by cliffs and palm trees. The water changes color every hour, from clear blue to deep emerald, promising something new with every visit. What makes these beaches so special? Many remain empty for hours, sometimes all day. You can walk for miles and not see another soul. Every beach is different. Some have soft white sand, others are pink or golden. There are places perfect for swimming, others for snorkeling, and some only for lying still and listening to the wind. The sea here is gentle. Waves lap at your feet, and the sun paints everything in warm light. Even when the world feels busy, these beaches seem to exist outside of time. Some say you could spend your whole life in Antigua and never see the same beach twice. If paradise exists, it is made from moments like these, one quiet beach at a time. Now, we cross the water to Barbuda. This island feels untouched, a place where nature rules. The beaches stretch for miles, empty and wild. Here, you can walk along pink sands and see nothing but the sea and the sky. There are no crowds, no noise, just the sound of waves and the call of birds. But Barbuda holds a treasure even greater than its beaches. Deep in the mangroves is the Codrington Lagoon, home to one of the world's largest colonies of frigate birds. These are giant birds with wings like black sails, and during nesting season, thousands fill the sky, their red throats bright against the green trees. The sanctuary is peaceful, a world away from cities and roads. Boats drift quietly among the mangroves, and the birds soar above, untouched by time. This is a place for explorers, for people who love wild things and gentle silences. In Barbuda, you feel what it means to be free, just you, the wind, and the endless living world. Antigua's beauty is not only in its nature. The island's past echoes through its old buildings and stone forts. The British arrived here in the 1600s and left their mark. The most famous sign is Nelson's Dockyard, a historic harbor filled with old brick warehouses and wooden boats. This dockyard was once the heart of the British Navy in the Caribbean. Ships came for repairs, and sailors rested before heading to sea. Today, the buildings are museums and cafes, but the air still carries the stories of battles, pirates, and explorers. Walking here is like stepping back in time. Old cannons point toward the water, and stone walls guard the bay. There are memories in every shadow, and the past feels close, a reminder of the island's place in the wider world. Yet, Antigua has moved beyond its colonial days, building its own future on these strong foundations. History here is alive, mixing with the salt air and sun, shaping the soul of Antigua. Life in Antigua and Barbuda moves at its own pace, never hurried, always in tune with nature. In the mornings, the markets of St. John's come alive. Farmers bring baskets of mangoes, pineapples, and bananas. Fishers unload their fresh catch, and the air smells of salt and sugar. Music floats through the streets, steel drums play, and people dance to calypso and reggae. Children laugh, and elders share stories under the shade. Here, everyday life is a celebration, a slow dance with the sun and sea. There is no rush. People greet each other with smiles and take time to talk. Even the busiest roads seem to relax in the heat. This slower rhythm is part of the magic. It invites you to stop, listen, and join the island's heartbeat. In Antigua and Barbuda, happiness is simple. It lives in small moments, music, and the taste of fresh fruit. At the center of Antigua is St. John's, the capital. It is a small city but full of life and color. The streets are painted in bright blues, pinks, and yellows. Each building tells a story, and every corner bursts with Caribbean charm. The harbor is always busy. Boats from around the world come and go, bringing new faces and stories. Markets line the waterfront, and cafe patios overlook the sea. In the morning, the city wakes up slowly, with shopkeepers sweeping their steps and children heading to school. St. John's is not a city of tall buildings or crowded avenues. Instead, it is open, friendly, and easy to explore. You can walk from one end to the other in an hour, stopping to smell flowers or watch fishermen mend their nets. The city's heart beats to a gentle, joyful rhythm. Here, you find the spirit of Antigua, proud, bright, and always welcoming. Why travel to Antigua and Barbuda? It is not for crowds or busy nightlife. It is for peace, for freedom, for moments when the world feels far away and your heart feels light. Here, you can find a beach to call your own, a sunset to remember forever, and a silence that heals. People come to escape. They come to taste the salt air and listen to the soft music of waves. Some come for adventure, diving, sailing, exploring hidden bays. Others come to do nothing at all, just to rest and dream. Antigua and Barbuda offer something rare, a chance to be alone, but never lonely. The islands welcome you like an old friend, asking nothing but that you slow down and enjoy. It is a gift, and not every place can give it. For those who seek peace, this is the true meaning of paradise. There are many famous places in the world, cities filled with people, beaches packed with umbrellas, and landmarks crowded with cameras. But Antigua and Barbuda show us another path. Here you find freedom in emptiness, beauty in silence, and joy in the simple things. Sometimes the best places are the ones unknown to most. They teach us to look closer, to listen harder, and to value moments over souvenirs. Antigua and Barbuda are a reminder that the greatest treasures are not always the loudest or the brightest. As we end our journey here, let this island stay with you. Remember the empty beaches, the wild birds, the gentle laughter of markets, and the colors of St. John's. Carry this feeling to your own life. Seek out the quiet places, the untouched spaces, and let yourself dream. If you felt inspired by this adventure, join me as we travel to the next dream destination. Subscribe, follow, or simply keep your heart open. The journey continues, and the world is full of secrets waiting just for you.
The journey has only begun. Subscribe and join us for more extraordinary destinations ahead. See you in the next adventure.